Hello everybody, this is Seismic Sales and Grogu. Today's video, we're going to be opening his purchase of Beskar from APMEX. Let's see what he got. I really don't know what he ordered, so let's get on with the video. If you'd like to help me out, please subscribe. Again, this is Seismic Sales. We're going to do an unboxing of Grogu's purchase from APMEX. Oops. Okay, Kershaw, my EDC. APMEX packs it very secure. This purchase was actually had signature required, so that was nice. Oh wow. Nothing in the box. Give me a quick second. I'm gonna weigh it real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, I just came back from the scale. This package weighs 7 pounds. Grogu, what did you order? Okay. Oh, he ordered gloves? 12-piece gloves? Why did you order gloves? But okay. Professional quality jewelry handling gloves. I've been using the surgical gloves. I guess he wants me to try these out. Okay, first coming out the box is... There it is, guys. 2023 Niue 1 ounce silver, $2 Star Wars Mandalorian Beskar 2023. Let's cut open this one because it's the first one. Oh, let me put my gloves on. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I don't know why I didn't use the wool gloves, but I'm a creature of habit. I am 50 years old and over, half a century. I'm used to doing things my way. It takes me a while to do something new. So we'll try these in the next video. Thank you for the gloves, Grogu. Yes, I am 50 years old, and I just started stacking. I am late to the stacking world. $2. Zoom in. 2023. 1 troy ounce. 999 fine. And at the bottom, what does that say? What does that read? That's the Lucasfilm logo, LTD. Wow, Grogu, you did really well. We'll flip it to the other side. Start from the top. Doom doom. There's the Imperial crest. All right, let's go to the edges. Yeah, so the lines go across to the edges. Nice. And then to the back. Okay. Oh, you know my feelings on things shiny. All the way around. How does the bottom look? Let's see if those lines continue to the bottom. Yeah, there's 2 lines there. And how's the top look? Okay. Very shiny. Look at that. I like it. Thanks, Grogs. 2 inches by 3/4. 2 inches by 3/4. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So Grogu found these capsules, rectangular capsules. Let's see if it fits. Oh, wow, it's very loose. Not good, APMEX. Yeah, okay, it does not fit the 2x1 rectangular capsules. It's not clamping down. Why is that? These are 2x1s. Put it the other way. Yeah, so it's a little longer than 2 inches. Stop it. Okay, so it says 2 inches. Well, why doesn't it fit? You see how it's not fitting? It's like a little bit. I'm gonna smash it in. Okay. Okay, so it's not fitting. So that's not good. I don't like that. Not good. They could have. Why couldn't they have just made it fit? I mean, that's what these are for. I'm very disappointed. I did not know that. And I actually looked on the website on APMEX. There was no dimensions. It didn't say 2x1 or 1 or 2 1/8 by 1 or 2 1/8 by 3/4. Look how much space there is. They could have used this space and filled it up here. Not good. They want it to be out, maybe. Maybe they don't want it to be in capsules. Rectangular capsules. I don't know. Okay, so put that away. All right. Grove, what else did you get? What the heck? 2023 Beskar 1 ounce silver 25, bro. Are you serious? Dude. What is this? He got another one. Okay, so these are sealed. 2. Gross, how many did you buy, bro? 3. Okay. Okay, this is not good. Let's see. How many did you buy? 2, 3. Here's a receipt. Whoa, here it is. 2023 Niue 10 ounce silver, $20. Star Wars Mandalorian Beskar, APMEX.com. Let's open this up. This is what you bought, huh? Wow, it is heavy. I like the weight. See if we can zoom in. Nice, an exact duplicate of the smaller one. In a plastic capsule. Okay, we could read it now. 20 doll hairs. Public seal of Niue. Ata Nui. My hands are is moving too much, and I really can't pronounce that. Don't want to mess it up. 2023. It's got the. I'm assuming those are spaceships. That's really nice, and you can see the lines. The lines going in, up and down. The crown. Public seal of Niue. Got a bunch of leaves. I don't know that language. I think these look like spaceships. 2023. 10 troy ounces. 999 fine silver. And the trademark Lucasfilms Limited. All right, let's zoom out. Rogues, this is really nice. Let's go to the other side. Very clean. I do see a scratch. You see that scratch? Goes all the way up. Don't know if that's, yeah, that's inside. You can't really tell, but that's inside. That's inside the capsule. Rectangular capsule. I said square the other day. People were making fun of it. Okay, and there's the Imperial emblem. Now let's take a look at the sides. And yes, the lines do cross over to the edges. Gross, this is really cool. Okay, you did spend a lot though. I don't know why you bought so many of those. So many of the 1 ounce ones. Goes all the way around. Oops, 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 oops. Okay, so the color, see how dark it is, and then it fades. The last two lines here kind of fades. You see, it's not as black as the other ones. So it's dark, 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 and it's light. Let's try the other one. Maybe that's just the way it is. Adds to the authenticity, kind of like milk spots. Okay, so it's dark, 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 dark. And then, yeah, so the edges towards the end of the bar or the corner, they get a little light. And this, you can tell that there's a, and you can tell that it goes downwards at an angle. That's kind of cool on both sides. I like that. Let's see on the other side. Yep. So you can tell. So it was poured this way. This is the one that had the at the bottom. Okay, that was good. So thanks, Grogs. We will put that right over there. What else did you get? Oh, more of the 1 ounces. More. I mean, this is a lot, bro. I got 25 of the 1 ounces. Uh-oh. Bro. Got another one? Dude. Oh. Alright, what else? What? Okay, this is getting ridiculous, bro. Oh my guts, dude. Okay, so how many is that now? Okay, that is it. And another one. Okay. Bam. This is the last one. Okay. 5 10-ounce Beskar bars. 25 1 ounce Beskar bars. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Bro, you guys know the prices of opening day, so I'm not going to say it. It is a little upsetting. Again, I hope you liked it. If you want to follow me for more, please like and subscribe. I think I'm going to open one. Should I open one? Okay, let's just open one. It has a little thing there. Little spacer maybe for my thumb. I've never opened one of these rectangular 10-ounce capsules. Am I supposed to open it? I really don't know. Is it going to ruin it? Is it going to ruin it once I open it? I don't know these things. I am so late to the silver game. I am over 50, half a century. I wasted my earlier life philandering and lollygagging and wasting money. I'll do a video on that. And if you youngsters want to learn, go learn what I did wrong so you don't do them. Please like and subscribe, young guys. And see how I screwed up my first 50 years of life. Okay, check it out. Okay, it does look better. Oh, it feels like, oh man, I want to put it on my skin. Hold on, you guys. I've never smelled Beskar. Hold on. Kind of, I don't know if I'm smelling the plastic or the silver. Hold on. Okay, I took it out. Let me smell it. Okay, it just, yeah, so I think I'm smelling my gloves. I really don't smell anything. Okay, can you do the taste test? I don't taste anything, but okay, now I gotta wipe it. This is how it looks like without the rectangular capsule. Republic of Niue. Zoom in. There you go. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I purchased these. It was 6:30 in the morning, 6:45 in the morning. I got the notification. Okay, open. Go ahead and buy it. I put 2 of the 10-ounce bars, and I put 25 of the 1-ounce bars. And then I started going through the process. And then all of a sudden, 15 minutes or 10 minutes later, or maybe less than 10 minutes later, it said, all sold out. I was like, what? So after 15, 20 minutes, APMEX sold out of these. And I go, that's impossible. So I had to refresh my screen, and I had to reorder all over again. And it was like, nothing was there. I couldn't reorder. It just stopped. If you were purchasing at the same time, did that happen to you? I couldn't order for like maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes later. So then I started doing something else. I was like, oh, I just figured I was screwed. I was SOL, screwed out of luck. And then 3 minutes later, I get another notification that says, okay, now you can buy it. And I was like, what? Then I started rushing. And I go, okay, instead of 3, I said, okay, I thought maybe people were buying a lot of it. Instead of putting 2 or 3, I put 5. 5 of the 10 ounces, and I had 25 of the 1 ounces, and I just said 40 more, whatever. And I just did it, and I submitted it, and that was it, and it was done. But it was very frustrating because I thought I was missing out. I don't know why 15 minutes after the open, it froze and it said, you're out. I'll even put a picture of my notification that said, okay, now they're available. I don't know why they did that, but it kind of got me to buy 2 extra 10-ounce bars and 40 extra 1-ounce bars because I was like, I'm missing out. I was FOMO. I didn't want to be out of it. Anyway, that's how they got me. I'm a little upset that they froze trading for those few minutes. Kind of made me think they were sold out and they were just adding to the queue or adding to their, updating their volume. And then on the second time, I was hoping that they didn't raise the price because I heard they raised the price after an hour on the last ones. That's why I did total of 5 10-ounce bars. I didn't want them to raise the price on me. And they don't fit, the 1 ounces don't fit in the capsules. So what's up with that? Anyway, I'm keeping these. I'm not selling these. We'll probably go to the kids or the grandkids or something like that. But yeah, I do like Mandalorian. I do like Grogu, as you could tell. I am a 50-year-old kid who loves Star Wars, or the old Star Wars. Not the new, not going to lie, but Mandalorian is keeping me in the fight right now with Star Wars. Any of you guys 50 and over, late to stacking like me, you can subscribe and we can learn together, because I really screwed up not stacking in my 20s, 30s, and 40s. I was too busy going to clubs and all that. This has been a long video. I did the touch test. I did the smell test. I did the taste test. I did the what test did I not do? Ooh, I didn't do the, hold on. We didn't do the magnet test, so let's try this out. I'm pretty sure it is real. Like I said before, I do trust APMEX on their silver. Just their reasons why they suspended trading for a while got me scared, and then I purchased more. They could have made it shorter and wider to fit the capsules. It's a little upsetting, but what are you gonna do? They don't want us to protect it, I guess, but these will go to the kids anyway, so it's no big deal. Hopefully they raise in value. I heard they went up to $700 each the past 2 years after opening, after they sold out. Right now there's like 300 left. 300 of these left. And like 5,000 or 4,000 of these guys still left to sell. Yes, I fell for the FOMO. My bad. It's a problem I have in life. That's why I am a 50-year-old late to stacking, late to silver stacking, late to precious metal stacking, late to the game. I should have been doing this in my 40s. Okay, this video has been going on long enough. This is Seismic Sales. There's Grogu. Thanks for visiting. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all the subs. If you haven't subbed yet, please subscribe. It'll help me and Grogu out a ton. Thanks again. Seismic Sales signing off.